Welcome back, my lovely people. Okay, this recipe is just for air frying. We're going to be making chicken breast pieces with some potato strips, and I'm preparing the marinade for my chicken right now. All the ingredients I used are listed, so just check it out on the video. I'm just adding all the ingredients together. I am mixing them very well just to form one homogeneous mixture so that there's no separation of seasoning at all in any place. Everything has to be well fused together. And when I've achieved my aim, it's time for me to dip my chicken pieces into the marinade mixture. So for my chicken, I'm using chicken breast. Feel free to use any particular cut of your choice, thighs, drumstick, whatever you want. But for this video, I'm using chicken breast and I'm just coating it evenly in the marinade mixture before I go on to leave it for another 15 to 30 minutes. I just want to make sure that everything is well coated with my seasoning so that all the pieces will have the exact same taste and one is not different from the other. So after doing this, I'm just going to set it aside for some time. I covered it up for some time, and while I was doing that, I got around to doing my potatoes. So these are regular Irish potatoes. If you have a potato cutter, anything you can use to get your potato strips, no problem. If you want to use a knife, no problem. Just cut it into thin strips. If you want to use the frozen potatoes, it's also very okay, but I prefer using fresh potatoes now. For me, the taste is just different and I love it better. So I'm done cutting my potatoes and I'm transferring it into this bowl. I need to wash it for some time to get rid of the excess starch. I'm sure many of us, when we use these Irish potatoes, we know how starchy it can be and it doesn't get so crunchy when it has that starchiness. So I'm just soaking it for some time, rinsing. I soaked it for about 10 minutes in cold water and I rinsed it very thoroughly as much as I could. If possible, I can wait longer, but I was actually in a hurry, so I couldn't leave it for as much as I wanted to leave it. But it's okay. Even if you can like wash it for about 5 to 10 minutes, it is fine just to get rid of the excess starch so that you enjoy your crispy potatoes. And after washing it, I'm just draining it to get rid of the excess liquid that I have used in washing my potatoes. And that's it. You can wash it once, twice, or 3 times till when you achieve your aim and your satisfaction. And that's it there, guys. I drained it for a bit so that I don't have so much water when I'm like trying to air fry. I added some salt to taste, and it's time for me to just air fry it. I didn't want it so dry like that, so I just sprinkled some cooking oil and I'm transferring my potatoes into the air fryer to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Just check the settings of your particular air fryer. Okay, so now that our potatoes are done, it's time to get to the chicken pieces. And this is very simple. This is all done. At this point, I'm just coating them evenly in breadcrumbs. I'm not using flour for this particular method, just from the marinade to breadcrumbs, and that's it. That's okay for me. So just coat it evenly in breadcrumbs. If you want, you can still season the breadcrumbs with some seasoning so that the seasoning gets everywhere. But just be careful so that you don't make it too sweet or too much, that kind of thing. And I'm frying this for 25 to 30 minutes as well. And guys, my food is ready. Yummy air fried potatoes and chicken breast. Guys, it was really yummy. As you can see, and my chicken was well cooked as well. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for getting on board. I would love to see you in other videos. Don't forget to share and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.